Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. Today, we're going to explore the Grid Money app. This is a mobile application that claims to help users manage their finances in a new and innovative way. Let's dive into what it offers, its key features, and whether it's worth your time. Grid Money is an app designed for people who want a simplified way to track and manage their spending, savings, and investments. One of its most intriguing features is the use of grids, which are essentially categories that help you organize your money. The app allows you to set up different grids for various financial goals, such as saving for a vacation, paying off debt, or even investing in stocks. By breaking down your finances into these specific categories, Grid Money aims to make budgeting a more intuitive and efficient process. The app also provides a range of tools to help users stay on track with their financial goals. It includes spending insights, transaction tracking, and reminders for upcoming payments or goals. Grid Money's interface is user-friendly. You can link your bank accounts, credit cards, and investment accounts to the app to ensure everything is in one place. Another feature worth noting is the app's educational resources. Grid Money provides tips and advice to help users make smarter financial decisions. From budgeting tips to investing basics, it aims to help users not just manage their money, but also improve their financial literacy. This is a nice touch, especially for those who are new to managing finances and want to learn as they go. However, no app is without its drawbacks. One potential downside of Grid Money is that some of its advanced features, such as premium investment tools, require a subscription. While the basic app is free, accessing the full range of services could come at a cost. Additionally, users have reported occasional syncing issues between their bank accounts and the app, which can be frustrating if you're relying on it for real-time tracking. So, is Grid Money worth it? If you're someone looking for a straightforward way to organize your finances, track your goals, and stay on top of your spending, Grid Money could be a great fit. However, if you're looking for advanced investment features without a subscription fee, you might want to look at other apps. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or other inquiries, please email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.